In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Slack always active. If you want your Slack status to show that you're available, this is a very quick setting to check. Sometimes Slack automatically changes your presence based on inactivity, or it may show you as away even when you're still nearby. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple action you can take directly inside Slack to set your status back to active. To get started, open Slack on your computer and make sure you're on the main workspace screen. Once you're there, look toward the lower left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile picture or profile icon in that area. This is where Slack keeps account and presence options, so go ahead and click on your profile picture. After you click it, a menu will open with several options related to your account and status. In that menu, look for the option that says Set Yourself as Active. When you find it, click on it. That's it. Once you select that option, Slack will update your presence so that you appear as active. This is helpful if Slack has marked you as away and you want to manually switch it back. It's also useful if you want teammates to know that you're currently available and online. One important thing to keep in mind is that this setting controls how your presence appears at that moment. Depending on your Slack settings or how long your device stays inactive, Slack may still update your status later on. So if you notice that your status changes again after some time, you may need to repeat the same process. A good tip is to make sure Slack stays open and that your computer isn't going to sleep too quickly, since inactivity can affect how your availability is displayed. But for the actual manual change of NC Slack, the only thing you need to do is open your profile menu and choose the active option. So just to recap, click your profile picture in the lower left corner of Slack, then click. Set yourself as active. It's a fast and simple way to make sure your presence shows that you're available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.